Find or read reviews that people are talking about galphi 3-channel Wi-Fi Dash Cam, front and rear inside with 64 GB SD card. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Dash cam front and rear inside 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p advanced Sony IMX sensor and high-performance processor, captures crisp and detailed footage with 2.5K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear recording, ensuring reliable evidence for road incidents and disputes. The Super Night Vision and Auto IR cabin camera enhance visibility, delivering clear video even in low-light conditions. Dash camera for cars with Wi-Fi app control. Connect to the free app with no subscription required. Adjust settings, view live streams, and playback footage directly from your smartphone. Effortlessly download, share videos and photos on social media or messaging apps, allowing you to instantly share your journey with family, friends, and followers. 24-hour parking mode, round-the-clock protection. When connected to a dedicated Type-C hardwire kit, the M2 Dash Cam continues recording in low FPS mode even when your car is turned off. This ensures your vehicle and belongings remain protected, capturing crucial footage of any suspicious activity or vandalism, even when you're away. Low-profile car camera dash cam front and rear inside. The sleek, hidden design of the M5 dash camera ensures an unobstructed driving view without altering your car's interior. Stay informed with unique voice notifications that update you on the dash cam's status without distractions. 64 GB SD card included and extra charging port. Start using the M5 dash cam right away with the included 64 GB SD card, no need to purchase one separately. The car charger also features an extra USB port, allowing you to charge your phone or other devices while the camera records, ensuring you don't lose your car's charging source. Easy installation. The M2 dash cam's 3 adjustable cameras can be rotated to your preferred angle, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, trucks, and minivans. The simplified installation process, along with detailed instructions, ensures a hassle-free DIY setup. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.